Good day student and welcome to digital classroom of standard 5th subject mathematics. We are looking lesson number 9 decimal fraction. Till now we have seen what do you mean by decimal fraction, how to put a decimal point, then hundreds, then place value of the digits in decimal fractions, use of decimal fractions. And now moving forward we are going to see writing half, quarter, three quarters, and one and a quarter in a decimal form. Okay, student. Student, half is written as 1 over 2. To write 1 over 2 in a decimal form, we will convert denominator 1 half into an equivalent fraction, that is 10. So what we will do? We will make denominator 2 as 10. Okay. Now let's see. Here they have given 1 over 2. Now if we want to make a denominator 10, what we will do? We know that 2, 5 are 10. So we will get 10. So what you will do? Here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 5 and we will get 5 upon 10. Now how you will write 5 upon 10 in decimal form? 0.5. You can solve this in other way also. If you want to make the denominator 100, what you will do? You will multiply numerator and denominator by 50. So 50 upon 100 we get 0.50. So half is written as 0.5 or 0.50. Both are same. Similarly, quarter is written as 1 upon 4 or 1 over 4 and 3 quarter is written as 3 over 4. To write 1 over 4 and 3 over 4 in a decimal form, we make denominator 4 as 100. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to make denominator 4 as 100 as shown below. Now quarter. What do you mean by quarter? Quarter means 1 over 4. Now we have to make the denominator 100. So what you will do? You will multiply numerator and denominator by 25. We know that 4 multiplied by 25 we get answer 100. So first we will make the denominator as 100. So 25 upon 100, this we will write in a decimal form as 0.25. In a case of 3 quarter, 3 quarter means 3 upon 4. To make the denominator 100, we will multiply it again by 25. So 3 into 25 upon 4 into 25, which is equal to 75 upon 100. That is equal to 0.75. So a quarter is written as 0.25 and 3 quarter is written as 0.75. So how you will write 1 and a quarter? You will write it in a decimal form as 1.25. 1 and 3 quarters 1.75. 1 and half 1.5. 17 and half 17.5. Okay students. So did you got how to write half, quarter, 3 quarters and 1 and quarter in a decimal form? So student, basic concept I have told in a last video. Now we will solve problem set 40. So what is given in the problem set 40? Write the following fractions as decimal fractions. Now the first one they have given 2 and a half. Now this 2 you will write as it is. Now half means 0.5 or 0.50 that I have explained in your last video. 2 and half. So this 2 point, now half means what? 0.5 means 2.50. Second is 2 and a quarter. 2 you will write as it is. Now quarter means 1 upon 4, that is equal to 0.25. 2 and quarter means 2.25. 2 and a quarter is equal to 2.25. 2 and 3/4. 2 and 3/4 means 3 upon 4. Its decimal form is 0.75. 3 upon 4 is equal to 0.75. So 2 as it is, 0.75 means 0.75. That is 2.75. 10 and a half. 10 half means 0.5. So 10.5. 14 and 3/4. 14 and 3 upon 4, that is equal to 14.75. In this way, you will solve your problem set 40. Okay.